Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the data science scope in future. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the very important future jobs, that is the big data engineer. So what is the big data engineer will do? So as a big data engineer, they will maintain the data. They will handle the tools like Spark, Hadoop, Pandas. And nowadays, day by day, we are producing the lot of data across the world. So we have to proper maintain that data. If we will not properly maintain this type of data, then how we'll get information from those data? So the maintaining is very, very important part as a big data engineer. So in big data, the three things are very important. We can call that 3V. That is the volume. Volume means the amount of data being generated. That means the volume. The second V is that velocity. Velocity means the speed at which data is being generated and needs to be processed. That is the second V. The third V is the variety. Variety means the different type of data. When we are talking about the big data, there is a structured data, that means the tabular format. There is the semi-structured data, that means the JSON and XML format. There is the unstructured data. It can be anything. Okay. Any raw and messy data is the part of the unstructured data. So as a data engineer, there are lot of scope, and this is the very good career opportunity. Second one is the as a AI and ML engineer. So there is a one field, that is the auto ML. We can call that automated machine learning. So nowadays we have seen the platform like Google's Vertex AI or the Data Robot. So what they can do, they can automatically perform many steps of the ML workflow. That means the machine learning workflow, from feature engineering to model selection and tuning. All those steps they are performing very well using that particularly Google's Vertex AI and that H2O AI. So there are another thing nowadays, after coming that transformer, there are ChatGPT, Gemini, all those things came. After discovering the transformer, the ChatGPT and the Gemini came. So I want to create something, some chatbot or some another application like Google Translator. What I'll do, I'll just call through API, I'll just call that Gemini API or that GPT API, and I can create the application very easily. So after coming that pre-trained model and API, our life become so easy. Before that, we have to train the model. So the lot of time, the lot of storage and the electric consumption also required. But after coming this type of pre-trained model or API, we can do this thing very easily. So this is the another job scope as a AI engineer or as a LLM, means the large language model engineer. After that, if we are considering about the MLOps, that is the machine learning operation, there is not only machine learning. In MLOps, the machine learning is one of the part, but there is not only the machine learning. This is the combination of the machine learning, the DevOps, and the cloud engineer as well. So if we are a very good ML ops engineer, then we should have knowledge about the machine learning life cycle and the DevOps and the cloud storage system. So as a MLOps engineer also, there is a very good scope. After that, data analyst. Data analyst also plays a very important role. Nowadays, every bank company, they are hiring the lot of data analyst as well. So for a data analyst, we have to know about the Tableau, the another visualization tools like Power BI, little bit of Excel, SQL, and the data analytics for Python. So most of the cases, the data analysts are doing are writing the SQL code, and they can collaborate SQL, Tableau, and Excel as well. They can collaborate and they can extract the very important information from the data. So as a data analyst also, in future, there are very good job opportunity. So if we are talking about the future trends, so we should consider about the ML engineer, AI engineer, data engineer, data analyst, and the data scientist. Means the data scientist should have knowledge about all those things. The data science means there is a AI, there is a ML, there is a data analytics as well as the big data. If you know all those things, then you are a complete data scientist. Not only that, if you have good knowledge about the DevOps, the cloud platform, the development, and the data structure and algorithm as well. So you are a very good data scientist. So that's all. All the best for your future. Thank you.